started making dawah, the rabbis and the ulama and ahbar of Yahud, Jews, the religious professionals who had made religion a trade for earning this world, the luxuries of this world. Just as the ulama su of this ummah, who make money out of religion, who leave behind them properties. They live claiming that they are purifying the souls of the people. They are doing the mission of Muhyiddin Ajmeri, rahimahullah, and leaving behind them properties on which their sons fight, quarrel, kill each other. This happens. Ulama building properties. The same was the case. I have quoted you the hadith, so many times. The Prophet said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, La yatiyanna ala ummati ma ta'ala bani Israel hasban na'li bin na'l. Rawahu Tirmidhi wa Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As radiyallahu anhuma. And my ummah also the same conditions will come. As came to Bani Israel. So now they felt a threat to their authority, to their positions. People turned to them in religion, asked fatwa from them. Who is this person? There is a saying their saying has been quoted in Bible. He preaches with authority. Who is he? And then, he was declared a murtad. All the miracles that he was showing, he said it's magic. They said it is magic, and magic is haram. Whosoever is doing magic is kafir, so he is murtad, he must be crucified. That was the fatwa of whom? The ulama of Yahud, the muftis of Yahud, the religious leaders of Yahud, people knowledgeable in Bible, in Torah, the scribes and the Pharisees, and the ahbar and the rahban. Ittakhadu ahbarahum wa ruhbanahum arbabam min dunillah. They had become actually themselves Rabb.